Hello, welcome to today's video. My name is Rob and I'm going to show you how you can hide columns in Excel. As you can see, I have already hidden columns. One of the benefits of hiding columns in Excel is because you do not want to show them. That's one reason. Or you do not want to print them. As you can see, I'm only printing 2 columns. But in reality, there are way more columns. So how do you hide a column? Well, first you can select them. Left mouse button, you can use your Control key or you can use your Shift key and select multiple columns. Then you can go to Home, Format, Hide columns, and they're hidden. But there's another way. You can select a column, hold your Control key, select one more, select one more, select one more, and then hide the columns with your right mouse button. So now they're hidden. You can also select the entire sheet and hide the entire sheet. So that's the video about how to hide columns in Excel. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.